How to use a layer mask in Photoshop. To apply a layer mask in Photoshop, open your image in Photoshop. In the Layers panel, double-click the background layer to unlock it. Now, go to the bottom of the Layers panel and click the Add Layer Mask icon. This adds a white thumbnail next to your layer thumbnail in the Layers panel. The white mask means the entire layer is visible. Now that you've added a layer mask, you can start editing the visibility of the layer. To hide parts of the image, select the brush tool from the toolbar on the left or press B on your keyboard. Set the foreground color to black. Adjust the brush size and hardness as needed. Start painting over the areas you want to hide. As you paint, the areas will become transparent. If you want to bring back the hidden parts of your layer, switch the foreground color to white. Then, paint over the areas you want to reveal again. Refine your edits by adjusting the opacity and flow of the brush tool in the top options bar. Use a softer brush with lower hardness for smoother transitions. You can also temporarily disable the layer mask by pressing Shift on your keyboard and clicking the Layer Mask thumbnail in the Layers panel. Shift-click again to reactivate the mask. To permanently remove the layer mask, right-click on the Layer Mask thumbnail in the Layers panel. Select Delete Layer Mask from the context menu. After you've made all your changes, you can save your file.